Welcome, future investors, to an exciting journey into the world of finance. In this 10-minute crash course, we're diving headfirst into the realm of investments, demystifying concepts for beginners. Picture this. You're about to embark on a financial adventure that can reshape your future. But where do you start? We'll kick things off by understanding why investing matters and how it's not just for the wealthy elite. I'll guide you through the essential types of investments, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, breaking down each into bite-sized pieces that even your grandma could understand. Ever wondered about the risk and return dance in investing? Fear not, as we unravel this complex tango and make it as clear as a blue sky. But hold on, before you jump into the market, let's talk about setting financial goals. It's like creating a roadmap for your money. And because we're in this together, I'll share some basic investment strategies that can serve as your compass. So buckle up. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to take those first steps toward financial freedom. And remember, investing isn't just about numbers. It's about crafting a future you'll be proud of. Let's get started. Hey, future investors, and welcome back to Wise Insights. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the exciting world of investments. If the thought of investing has ever crossed your mind but left you feeling a bit overwhelmed, you're in the right place. I'm Wise Insights, and I'm here to break down the basics and make investing not just accessible, but downright thrilling. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation to kickstart your investment journey. Let's get started. Why should you care about investing? Well, it's not just for Wall Street elites. Investing is a powerful tool that can help your money grow over time. In this section, we'll discuss why investing is crucial for building wealth, beating inflation, and achieving your financial goals. Get ready to see your money work for you. Types of investments. Now that you're on board with the why, let's talk about the what. We'll explore the main types of investments: stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. I'll break down each one in plain English, so you'll have a clear understanding of where your money can go. Spoiler alert, there's an investment option for every comfort level. Risk and return. No risk, no reward, right? Well, not exactly. In this section, we'll tackle the essential relationship between risk and return. I'll explain how different investments carry different levels of risk and potential reward, helping you find the sweet spot that aligns with your financial goals. Setting financial goals. But before you start investing, you need a game plan. We'll chat about setting financial goals, the North Star that guides your investment decisions. Whether you're eyeing that dream vacation, a new home, or retirement in the tropics, we'll break down how your goals shape your investment strategy. Segment 1. Stocks, owning a piece of the action. First up, let's talk about stocks. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of ownership in a company. In this segment, we'll explore how the stock market works, the potential for capital gains, and the risks associated with stock investments. Get ready to become a shareholder. Segment 2. Bonds, fixed income, lower risk. Now, let's shift gears to bonds. Bonds are debt securities where investors lend money to a company or government in exchange for periodic interest payments and the return of the principal amount. We'll discuss how bonds provide a steady income stream and their role in balancing risk in your investment portfolio. Segment 3. Mutual funds, diversification made easy. Mutual funds are like the Swiss Army knives of investing. They pool money from various investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Join me as we explore the benefits of mutual funds, including instant diversification and professional fund management. Segment 4. Real estate, tangible investments. Let's talk bricks and mortar with real estate investments. Real estate can offer both income and potential appreciation. From rental properties to real estate investment trusts, REITs, we'll uncover the different ways you can invest in this tangible asset class. Segment 5. Cryptocurrencies, decoding the digital frontier. Last but certainly not least, let's venture into the digital frontier with cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a myriad of altcoins have taken the financial world by storm. We'll explore the basics of cryptocurrency investing, the technology behind it, and the unique risks associated with this exciting but volatile asset class. Conclusion and call to action. As we wrap up this exploration of investment types, remember that diversification is key to a resilient portfolio. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more investment wisdom, and share your thoughts in the comments. What type of investment are you most interested in exploring further? Until next time, happy investing and stay financially empowered.